HR managers from India, you have an unique opportunity right now. You don't have to restrict your job search to India. And in fact, even if you already have a job, you can do freelance work with foreign clients who pay much better, who pay in dollars by the hour. Do you want to know more about this? Do you want to know how you can earn an extra $1,000 per month by doing a few hours of work every day with your existing skills? Well, you might have to learn a few new skills as well. You may have to learn how to reach out to the right clients. You may have to even build a track record of a different kind. But don't worry, we are here to show you how you can do exactly that. All I need you to do is register for this 3-day bootcamp. In fact, it's not all of 3 days. You just need to give us 3 evenings over Saturday, Sunday and Monday, 6 to 9 p.m. on each day. That's all. And we are going to show you step by step how you can embark on this new journey of becoming a global freelancer, maybe helping US technology companies to get to the next level and seize an unique opportunity that never existed before. Interested? Register right now, and I'm going to start sending you a lot of material on this opportunity so that you can come fully prepared to the bootcamp. Excited? See you on the other side.